Hi, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to configure your shop settings automation in OneCart. On the left hand side of the menu, click on My Platforms and then Manage Connections. Here, the OneCart console allows you to configure your daily online shop settings to automate inventory automation tasks. You are able to navigate to your shop settings right over here on the different platforms that are connected to OneCart. Under shop settings, you click on this button for you to see the Lazada shop settings in OneCart. Here you are able to configure 4 specific daily tasks in OneCart. The first task will be automatically importing your new SKUs to your OneCart inventory daily. And if you take a look here, it tells you that OneCart will be creating this new inventory from your Lazada platform at 2 a.m. every day. And then the next task will be auto-importing your listings at 3 a.m. And the next one will be auto-matching your listings daily at 4 a.m. The last one would be OneCart will check for updated listings every day at 5 a.m. and rematch for you if the SKUs are valid. So the automations happens from 2 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can click on the drop down list here for you to select yes or no for the automations. As you can see, there is an extra settings here saying auto put back inventory. This is not a daily automation. However, if there is any cancellation for your orders, OneCart will reverse any inventory deduction automatically for you. If you were to take a look on the Shopee shop settings in OneCart, you can see that the settings are very similar. However, there is an extra settings here saying to adjust stock during Shopee flash deal. This is only applicable to Shopee stores. What this would do is to adjust your stock during Shopee flash deals. You are able to select yes or no for your Shopee shop settings. This will look the same for your Shopify shop settings as well. So you're able to set your automation in OneCart and you're able to choose which automation you would like OneCart to do it for you every day. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at hello@legmantech.com. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.